Hey YouTube, I just want to share a creative idea I had for making cheap high voltage terminals. So this is a globe. This is a replacement globe for one of the outdoor lamps. This is actually says Newport lighting. And here's the UPC code for it, and I got this at Home Depot and for $10, and I'll share the picture I took of the item tag. And what I'm doing to make a high voltage terminal here is I'm just covering it with triangles of aluminum foil, and what I found was the easiest thing to do is just to take an aluminum triangle here, and I have some multi-purpose spray adhesive, and I just spray a little bit. Set it aside. Spray a little on the back of the aluminum triangle, and then just lay it over the surface of the lighting sphere. And there'll be a couple little wrinkles from the triangle, but you can just rub those out quickly, and it smooths out really nice. And you just keep cutting triangles and adding them till the entire surface of the sphere is covered. So this is my new sphere Tesla coil terminal. So some features I added to it. It's a little breakout point here, which is just a bolt with a little brass end cap. And this is the conductor that attaches to the sphere that's going to connect to the Tesla coil. I'm going to take a capacitance measurement between this and ground. Okay, this is the sphere hooked up to the capacitance meter, so we're measuring 33 picofarads. And I just have one terminal of the LCR meter hooked up to the capacitive sphere, and I have the other hooked up to the wire that runs to ground. Okay, so this is the old high voltage terminal, and a feature I've added to the sphere is a pipe support that runs through the middle, so that'll be able to just slide over top of my support rod here. So you can see I can just take the sphere and I'm just putting it down here, and then I can connect my copper lead to a tab on the Tesla coil.